right, class, settle down, and welcome back to Online Anatomy 101. Today we will be learning about the urinary system. What are the organs of the urinary system?
Kidneys, ureters, bladder, urethra.
Absolutely correct. Where are the kidneys located?
Against the dorsal side of the body. Also, the right kidney is slightly lower than the left.
What color is the urine? And can you tell me what that color means?
If the urine is yellow, it means you don't have lots of water in your system. If it is clear, it means you are well hydrated.
Someone's been doing their homework. What is the pH level of the urine?
Maybe around 4?
No, it is about 6 on the pH scale. I may not do my homework, but I pay attention.
Good, you're halfway there. Can someone name the solutes which are found in the urine?
That would be glucose, blood proteins, red blood cells, white blood cells, and then also bile and hemoglobin.
Those are the solutes that are not found in the urine. The solutes that are found in the urine are sodium potassium ions, urea, uric acid, creatine, ammonia, and bicarbonate ions.
The solutes found in urine. Yes, that is correct. What are the important parts of the urinary system?
The important parts of the urinary system would be the bladder, the ureters, and the urethra.
Very good. Now, in newborns, what is the development of the urinary system like?
In newborns, the development of the urinary system is slow, and the bladder begins very small. And this is why newborns urinate between 5 and 40 times per day.
Correct. And they always figure out how to do that in the middle of the night. Every night. What about voluntary urination?
It does not develop in children until around 18 months, and nighttime control sometimes at 4 years.
That long? Oh boy. Are there problems that occur in the elderly? If so, name some of those problems.
With age, problems sometimes occur with the urinary system, such as bladder shrinkage and tone issues.
Correct. What are the factors at maintaining blood composition?
Diet, cellular respiration, and urine output.
Correct. Now, kidneys have 4 roles in maintaining blood. Name them.
The 4 roles that kidneys play in maintaining blood are removing waste, keeping water balance, balancing electrolytes, and also balancing pH.
Very good. What is the normal amount of water in females, males, babies, and the elderly?
Adult females, 50%, adult males, 60%, babies, 75%, and elderly, 45%.
50, 60, 75, 45. Correct. What are some sources of water loss?
Some sources of water loss include sweating, breathing, and feces, and in urine.
Tell me about it. Sweating. Whew. Correct. Where does regulation mostly occur?
In hormones.
Correct. What are the 3 major chemical buffer systems?
The 3 major chemical buffer systems are the protein buffer system, the bicarbonate buffer system, and the phosphate buffer system.
Now, can you name some disorders of the urinary system?
Nephritis and kidney stones.
Very good, class. That concludes today's lesson. Thank you for joining me. I have to go tend to my screaming children now. Have a good night. Hello, students. I apologize for missing this week's session. I had to pick my kids up from school, then soccer practice, then daycare, then a friend's house. Anyway, here are the notes that you missed this week. So first off, we were talking about the cells of the urinary system. The 4 cells are juxtaglomerular cells. That one. macula densa, podocytes, and mesangial cells. Now, one thing we did not discuss in last week's session was how the urinary system is connected to previous systems that we've studied in this class. So the urinary system has a connection to the cardiovascular system and the blood because there are many capillaries, veins, and arteries that intertwine surrounding the distal convoluted tubule and proximal convoluted tubule. That was a mouthful. There are also many capillaries within the glomerulus and many veins and arteries within the kidneys. Now, real-world ideas connected to the urinary system. Obviously, the urinary system is a critical part of our everyday lives. It helps us filter out fluids that we may not need otherwise. It allows us to maintain a healthy lifestyle in a critical manner. Thank you, and have a good day. If you'd like to be as brilliant and as successful as me someday and teach your own online class, just go to www.5minutedegree.com/science. Have a great day, folks.